Welcome back to my channel Way to Merchant you guys once again. Hopefully you are doing well. But before moving to the topic, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So today's topic is going to be that if you are going to join for the first time, then this video is definitely for you. So watch till last. I can promise you that your nervousness will flying up to the window, definitely for sure. To join that, for decades, definitely IMO CET is important. So for IMO CET, we have come up with a initiative that will provide classes for the IMO CET. You can see all the details in the screen. As per details, you can contact us to join the classes, and the registration link for the classes will be in my description box. The classes will start from 1st June onwards 2020. Now assume that you have selected for a company or you are previously sponsored before join your course. Now it's the D-Day or the judgment day that you have to join the ship. So what is the procedure for that I will discuss, and how to isolate your nervousness, that will also be discussed in this video. So as per any standard company policy, before joining they will call you in the office for the medical test. They will provide you some documents regarding your medicals, and in that documents you will find the address and all, and you have to visit that medical center. Obviously the medical center will be receiving approved as per the requirement. They will test you and you can leave the medical center. That is the duty from your side. Then your report will be made and that will be sent directly to the company by the medical center. So in that case you don't need to worry about that. First thing is medical is gone. Second thing is that psychometry. They will send you to a psychiatrist. He or she will take your psychometry test, or maybe in the office also sometimes online psychometry test also be conducted. That depends on the company to company. Thing is that after passing this both medical and the psychometry, you are a permanent employee of the company, right? Then they will send you some forms regarding the visa. US visa is mandatory. Apart from US visa, if you are transiting through China and Australia, then China and Australian visa also required. So as per that you have to fill the forms, and for US visa you have to present physically to the US embassy for the visa. Basically for seafarers, C1D visa is required, so you will easily get that visa. There is no issues regarding the visas. So after creating all the visas, medical and all, you are ready to join the ship within 7 or 8 days. So before joining they will provide you 2 envelopes. You need to carry those 2 envelopes to your ships. One copy for the master, one for you. In that envelopes, your briefing form, your medical certificates and your contact details, everything will be there. So you have to take it very carefully and very positively to the documents to the ship. Afterwards, your flight details and flight tickets will be provided to you as per schedule. You have to present on the airport, and in the destination airport you will find the agent. Then afterwards agent will take you to the ship. So if you're joining for the first time, I can make sure that thing, if you're selling with a standard company, they will avoid a single joining. They'll definitely give you bulk joining. Bulk joining means 3 or 4 people joining together. So what happened in this case, if you are very first timer, if you don't know anything regarding joining and airport procedures, then it might definitely help you for bulk joining. And company used to join and sign off in bulk basis because that is very cost effective. So after agent arrives, you have to do some formalities in the airport regarding your custom and all. Then the agent will take you to the port and you can embark the ship. So that is the procedure for the first joining. So make sure before joining, don't be panic. If you are taking clothing and all, that is very okay, but if you miss out one clothing, it might not differ you because you can buy. But if you miss out one document, maybe your joining can be cancelled. So I've already made a video regarding documents which you need to carry before joining the ship. You can see that video to avoid any kind of mistake. And I would like to suggest you make a checklist that which all things required before joining. Do it as per the checklist. So in that process you can mitigate the mistakes which are prone to do by the seafarers before joining. I think this part is clear. Now moving to the nervousness part. Definitely first time joiners might get nervous. Everyone has faced this. No one can deny this fact. This is very bitter and cruel fact that everyone gets nervous before their first journey. But cherish this moment. Feel yourself lucky because there are several people are available. You can see in the market that they are roaming around for the job here and there like a mad. So you are getting a job and you are joining for the first time. So leave that moment, cherish the moment, and feel proud and join proudly with manner, etiquettes, and proper dress up. Definitely shave and all. That is very important for new joiners for the first time. So don't get nervous before joining. I think I have cleared everything, every doubt. If you still have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you out. Thank you guys watching my video. If you have liked, please like the video. Don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.